Today I'm going to show you how to make Ayurvedic cough drops using licorice or Yestimadhu. Yestimadhu is a very common herb used in Ayurveda which is excellent for the throat, and almost all Ayurvedic cough medications have this herb. So what you need is sugar, ginger, honey, Yestimadhu or licorice, cloves and dry ginger. In a pan, add 1 cup of sugar. To this, add half a cup of water and bring it to a boil. Keep stirring so all the sugar dissolves. To this I add 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger that I have grated. Ginger is useful in Vata and Kapha disorders. It is known to help reduce fever and cleanse the body of toxins. It is very good for a sore throat because it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. You can also use dry ginger powder. If you like ginger, I would suggest you add more. You won't regret it. It tastes wonderful, and in this recipe, more the better. Take 4 or 5 cloves and powder it. Add it to the pan and stir it in. In Ayurveda, cloves are used to enhance circulation, digestion and metabolism. It helps counter any stomach disorders such as gas, bloating and nausea. Cloves also help to pacify Vata and Kapha disorders. After the sugar has dissolved and the mixture starts turning golden brown, take it off the heat. To this, add 1 tablespoon of honey. It soothes the throat and it fights inflammation. I then add 1 tablespoon of licorice or Yestimadhu. Yestimadhu is a very common herb used in Ayurveda which is excellent for the throat. Back in the day, people used to just chew on it if they have a sore throat or cough. It reduces throat inflammation, irritation and pain. You can mix 1 tablespoon of licorice in hot water and gargle with it twice a day. Now put small drops of the mixture on a baking sheet. Be careful, the candy is really hot. To dust the candy, mix some castor sugar or powdered sugar with 1 tablespoon of dry ginger powder. Mix it well and keep it aside. After it cools down, Dust it off with the powdered sugar and ginger so it doesn't stick to each other. And that's it, the cough drops are ready. You can store it in a clean bottle and you can chew on it every time you have a bad throat. A softer version of this candy is made as a dessert in temples in Karnataka. Traditionally, it is made with jaggery. If you want to use jaggery, then use 1 cup of jaggery with 1/4 cup water. But add the water in small quantities, just enough to melt the jaggery. It would take a few tries to get the consistency right, but it is a healthier version. If you do try it out, then let me know how it was. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the like button and share it with your friends and family. To get video updates and to stay in touch, please click the subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Stay healthy and take care.